Hi y'all, my name is Ijoma. I'm the voice behind the lessons. I'm a native Igbo speaker. I'm passionate about teaching my children Igbo with the support of my husband. I'm also passionate about helping you speak Igbo. And if you've been struggling, you've been frustrated, do not worry. That's why I'm here. That's why these lessons are here, coming to you at least 2 lessons a week, okay, to help you speak Igbo. Just remember to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you will be kept abreast of when the videos come out, okay? And please leave a comment. Let me know what you would like to learn. Ask questions, okay, to guide me with the future lessons, okay? Also, on the website igbostudy.com, you have more resources, and there's a free course also for beginners. If you're a beginner, if you go on the website, enroll and just go through it, that will help you. I'm trying to get the intermediate course ready. I'm also getting some ebooks ready, e-story books to help you. I'll let you know as I have more resources, okay? So to the lesson of the day, today we'll be discussing the verb ebia, to come. Ibia. Okay?